how to use voice to text on WhatsApp on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So to use voice to text on your iPhone, you'll have to go to your settings first. So open the settings on your phone and then scroll down and tap on General. Then go ahead and tap on Keyboard. Scroll down and there you'll find Enable Dictation option. Go ahead and toggle it on. Enable dictation. So dictation is really necessary for you to turn on the voice to text. So after you have enabled it, go back to your WhatsApp, open it, and go to the chat where you want to use the voice to text feature, and then tap on the message bar. And on the bottom of the keyboard on the right hand side you see a mic like option. You just have to tap on. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.